Yo, what's poppin'? My name is Jason Jonas, and I am thankful for each person that is here viewing this video. Guys, it's been so long since I made a YouTube video, and I really just took a lot of time to myself. I wanted to reflect on, everything that I've been doing. Even in the last video, I said I took some time off, but I think I'm ready. I think I'm finally ready to finally make videos. I don't know how frequent I'm going to be doing videos. I'm going to try to do one every week, maybe twice a week. We will see depending on my schedule and everything that I got going on, because hell, it got a lot busier for boy old Jason. So today I want to show you how to get small businesses to pay you. I mean, they don't have to be small, but businesses in general, generally if you're starting out, hitting smaller businesses is going to be better for you rather than trying to hit like a Fortune 500 company. But how to get small businesses to pay you to run their social media, whether it's Facebook, whether it's Facebook Pixel, Google Ads, Google My Business, all aspects of digital marketing. How to get small businesses to pay you $1,000 to $2,000 or more. I mean, it's endless the amount of money per month to do these things. Running Instagrams, running their Facebook, posting ads on their Facebook, and doing all that. And how do you go about getting businesses to do that? So first, you want to go to Indeed.com. As if you're searching for a job. Now this is literally one of the easiest ways to potentially get your foot in the door to be able to get in a phone call, get in a meeting with a owner or with a marketing director for this company to potentially be able to run their Instagram. Or not Instagram, to run their social media. So what you do here when it says what, you type in digital marketing. Now when you type that in, you scroll through. I mean, there's hundreds and thousands of postings. Now, let's see. See one that really would make sense. Indus Track. No idea what that is. So you hit this and you read through it. And right here it says, manages day-to-day online marketing campaign that includes Google AdWords, Facebook, LinkedIn, and others as appropriate. Manage company's website, email, and online marketing. Events. SEO, which is search engine optimization. So if you're doing Google, keywords and stuff like that, as long as you know how to do that or be able to, outsource it to somebody else. So this would be one that we could do. So you would go to, Indus Track. So let's see. Now we go to LinkedIn. Alright. So after you find the company, you do everything, come to LinkedIn. And when you get to LinkedIn, in the search bar, search the company. And go to people. Now let's see here. Okay, strategic marketing intern. Connect with somebody. Honestly, I mean, chief financial officer, you could connect with her. Or you make a phone call. Now, I'll give you one tool that will be huge. This tool, can literally game change. It's helped me with so many things. So come over here. Go to Snowvio. So if you were to call out and it said, hey, my name is blah, blah, blah. You were trying to get in connection with the marketing director or somebody that handles this post. You would want to call and say, hey, I'm calling about your Indeed posting about digital marketing specialist. And when you do so, make sure you get her name. And when you find her name or whoever can handle this, talk to them and just build up rapport. Question them, ask what they're doing, and just continue to ask questions. So this one doesn't have a salary or what they would be paying. So once you get a name and once you figure everything out, and you're just questioning. You're asking questions just like about the position, what they want, what they need, what they're trying to do, what their pain points are, why are they hiring somebody, what happened to the last person, etc., etc. And then if this person doesn't let you speak to the marketing director or the owner, but you find out her name or his name, come to this Google extension website, either or. It's called Snovio. Now this tool is fucking awesome. So you come here, and if you got their website, visit website, cool. You can literally go here, you take the website, copy the website, come over here, go to Tools, Domain Search, boom. Now if you get somebody's email, now you have all these people's emails. So if you find out the person's name, and the person's name is something Hansen, okay, well right there, you check mark that. I mean, you could check mark them all and send them all an email if you want, I don't care. And then you add it to the people list. And now you have that email. But why am I saying about Indeed? So, the reason Indeed is so powerful and so cool for digital marketing and being able to potentially work as a contractor for this company to run their digital marketing online presence is, for one, you're qualified. You're more qualified than somebody coming in. Essentially, you are, depending on what you do and who you work for and what your team is and how qualified your team is, etc. But you go to them, if they're going to pay somebody $60,000 a year, I don't know the quick math off that. What is that? $2,000 a month? I have no idea. 4, 5, 6, 5, 5,000, 6,000. Let's just say they were paying the person $6,000 a month to do what they want. Google SEO, Facebook ads, Google My Business, all the forms, everything for their digital marketing. Now, do you think if we could come in there and come at half the price, $3,000 a month, even $3,000, and be able to cover what they need, would they be open to talking about it? I don't know. They might. So that's where Indeed is such a powerful tool, because you can come in and quote them at a better price than hiring somebody, but still being able to get the job done at a better rate. And then essentially, if they don't want us to handle it always, where we'll come in, we'll do a background search of their digital marketing, we'll check and see how their online presence is at the moment, see what they're missing, what they're lacking, and then what we do is we can come in and we'll essentially teach the marketing team how to do this. And then that just gives it's a wraparound. Everybody's wins, everybody's happy, they get their pain points figured out, we fix that, and all their SEO, Google, Facebook, everything running smoothly. And then they're not having to, lose out and have to hire somebody that doesn't really know what they're doing or doesn't know that niche. Because if you worked in you did digital marketing for a doctor, and then you go to do digital marketing at for instance, this company, what is it? It's a software company. They're two different type of companies. When you run ads and stuff, you're not going to know what, that person's not going to know which niche and how to run ads and how to Google My Business, how to do keywords for SEO, etc. So that's where you can come in, and your team is qualified and knows how to do everything, where you can come in at a lower price, save them money, and get everything done quickly and efficiently. So that is really all I wanted to say on the Indeed part. If you want to learn more information about this, I can go more and more in depth and kind of break everything step by step with you. If that's something you'd like to see, drop it in the comments. Let me know. I'm going to be dropping, different types of videos, whether it's just lifestyle videos or motivational videos or mindset. And then it's like working, like marketing videos, all that type of stuff. I kind of want to feel it out. I want to do different type of videos, maybe put them together, different ones, separate ones. I don't know. What do you guys want to see? Do you guys want to see more of like business sided? Do you want to see more of the mindset, like how to evolve your mind and make your mind to have a different perspective and look at things and attract and manifest different things in your life? Because I can tell you what, law of attraction, manifestation, all that stuff has happened to me in the last 2 months, and it all came from a few things that I've done in my daily life that have helped me be able to become a better person and be able to do more and surround myself with awesome people and do awesome things. Or if it's like traveling, do you want to see traveling? Because I'm going to be traveling a lot more this year. All this, what do you guys want to see? What do you guys want? I'm Jason Jonas. I appreciate you guys. If you haven't already, make sure you click the thumbs up button, smash the subscribe button, and I will see you guys in the next video.